said, I'm Lauren Willard, and I'm in the 6th grade. So my mentor is Casandra F. She graduated from the U.S. Naval Academy in Annapolis, something. She worked as an engineer in the U.S. Navy, lives in Oxnard, California. She likes to surf and compete in triathlons. She's pretty cool. Okay, here we go. So for my project, we decided to make a robot. So we decided to use MakeBlock, which is also what Leah used. So we used the MBlock Ranger. So basically, it had 4 things in it. And it had like the dashing raptor and something else. I forgot. So basically, what this does is it has a lot of sensors, and we were trying to get it to achieve multiple tasks. It was a little bit confusing at first because we didn't know what board to use, but my neighbor helped us get on the right track. So every Sunday, Cassie and I meet, and we discuss robots, triathlons, military responsibilities. And so we taught Ashley to spin, go forward, play hot cross buns, which I am so sick of now. I've heard it like 100 times. We had a lot of celebrations when we got her to move forward for the first time, because that was a relief because we tried that like 4 times. Also, one of my favorite moments was when we got the line follower sensor to work. It was really great because we tried that a lot. So my demo is actually using her line follower sensor, which is the little sensor on the bottom here. It has 2 light sensors, and the picture on the bottom right-hand corner. So it shows that if both of the sensors read black, then it just keeps going forward. If one of the sensors reads white and one of the sensors reads black, then it needs to turn in the movement of the one that reads black. And if both sensors are on white, then it needs to complete a full 360 circle so it can get back on that black line. It was a lot more complicated than it sounds like. We used Blockly to program it, and so even though it sounds kind of easy, it wasn't. I think that's it. Yeah.